Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to my bed, aka my packing planning area. So I had stated in an earlier video that I showed the travel toys. And I said that each child has to pick out a toy. They cannot pick out a new toy for 30 minutes. But if they're bored with that toy, they can go to the binder, which I'll do a video on, and then also or they can go to their tray tables. So these are tray tables. I bought these at Amazon. Normally I get the ones that have steady bottoms from like Hobby Lobby or whatever, but these were a little bit more from Amazon, but they open up. I don't want to open them right now because I have stuff inside that'll pop open since I'm using one hand on the phone, but they open their lap trays so they can be used even afterwards. There's like a little spot up here for like their pens and whatever. And this one opens up. So if they're kind of bored with their thing, they can go in here or in their binders or just not through anything. So inside here is what I have. This is Madeline's, and Jocelyn's is pretty much the same. So they have some dry erase markers because I put all of their things that are in their binder goes in like the page protector so they can just wipe clean anything. I bought each girl a set of the 24 twistable crayons. I like these for retrospective because they don't really seem to melt and they just keep twisting them. I told each girl to pack a book. So this is the book that Madeline chose, like an actual, chapter book. I bought these at Five Below. I thought they were kind of cute. It's a lot of the stuff I normally put in the binder, so I don't have to print out as much. But it's just different little games to play. Some play game, tic-tac-toe, some writing, reflection things, some drawing things, and then I liked also, maybe some jokes they can tell each other, but they also have, for every day that we're away, there's a travel log, so I'm going to have the girls fill that out every day, and then there's word searches, so just some activities in here, and then what every child loves in the summer, the summer bridge book. So that way, you want to play with toys, you can do, well, Madeline started doing some because summer's getting already started, but they could do a couple pages of that. And then they haven't read the highlights that they've gotten this month. So these are just some things in here. So if they're not fond of the toy that they picked out, or they got bored with it, or whatever, they can take anything from their own personal bin or their binder. So, and I don't know. And that is their little travel trays. Stays right by their seat. Lift them up, put them on their lap. And then also, it also works good when they're eating. They can just eat right on this tray. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching yet another video on my craziness of packing. Have a wonderful day.